G'day viewers, I've got to replace this power pot in our bathroom. This is a Australian made HPM, dated 11th 1993. There's why I bug it up. You never turn these off by this switch while an appliance pulling more than 10 amps is running. Because these are only rated for 10 amps, and sure enough, heavy load over 10 amps, you turn it off, and on separate times they'll just arc out. And it carboned up the contacts in here. The rocker is actually partially melted and it sticks, and it's got a bad connection now. Running the dryer off this about a couple of days ago, and this was bloody hot. I could smell like almost it was smouldering. You can see some discoloration now. It's been getting pretty hot. So I replaced it with a 15 amp Aussie made Clipsal. Much better power point, much more solid power point than this one. But I might just see if I can repair it. Repair another HPM power point I got, an older one. I could use a parts out of this one, this side here, to fix another old HPM power point I got. I should just use it like I'm doing here, I'm in meters. Not going to be doing much with it, so... Anyway, I'm going to try and rewind this fly back. I had some more fun with it off camera yesterday and arced the rest of it out. Of course, you're not supposed to arc the other pins, because it's shorting out, so... Oh well. This one in here will go back in it, replace it with this one, see what we get. See what result we get. Yep, as I was trying to put it on, the paper crimped and the winding went in there and went out of place. Bugger. Frustrating when that happens. Hey cat. Yeah, I've totally destroyed this now. It's completely shorted out. It doesn't work at all. Nothing works. Completely killed it. Ooh, there's my bobbin. So there's plastic thing's going to be my bobbin. I take these windings off and wind a new set on. I don't think could I use a wind on there. I'll put it back together as it is. I'll just wind my own secondary on there. Maybe a high current or something, see what happens. Just put a high current secondary on there for now. Leave it blank till I can make up the rig I can wind this thing with. Hey cat. Viewers, I've shelved that fly back for a while. I'm gonna I'm going to have to make up a little rig to wind up a nice coil. So I'm going to try and put some those windings off that flyback onto this flyback, which had the cracked ferrite here. Got to get some more. There's Billy from losttreasure.com.au sent me some of these. He's got some more lined up for me, so I will need more. Let's give this a test. Excuse me. Yeah, let's give it a test. It's a Changshu Conker Electronica Limited. Conker brand TV, it's obviously from. Not much of a coil on that one, but let's see what performance we get. Relatively modern flyback. Let's put those same windings off that flyback on this one. Same amount of turns and everything. Let's see if it can perform the same as that old flyback did. Okay viewers, I managed to get them just fitted. Just 8 turns and 8 turns. I don't know if this thing's going to last, but we'll give it a try. Let's see what happens. This might be a mental flyback. Very neatly wound. They're squashed between the edges of the ferrite there, so they're not going anywhere. Okay viewers, let's give it a try. Light off. I bet this thing's going to... Come on camera, light off for this one. Oh, let's see how mental this is going to go. Ooh, I can hear it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Much better. Things are running cool. Inductor's cool, capacitor's cool. Primary's not even warm. I do got to be careful here. Yeah, don't arc to any other pin. Of course we all know what happens. Bye bye flyback. And no, this jumper lead here is not rated for this voltage. I get to dig out where I put my bloody flyback, my flyback wires, so I can make some high voltage jumper leads. So I gotta find where they are. Oh yeah, the little other ones are going good too. Oh, breakdown. Power off. discharge. I get these other wires in view, arc with them ones. Not even warm. Nothing's warm. Not even the capacitor. Yeah, the neater the windings, the less heat in your components. My capacitor's only a lot cooler now that they've got a perfectly neat set of windings on that transformer. So it pays to have your primary wound neatly, the way you don't overheat a capacitor. I'll try and get this in view. We'll arc to that. Where are we here? I can set a view with the camera. I've got to move the camera down a bit. There we go. Just see the arc to that. The focus and screen. The focus comes out the top. There's a thicker one and a smaller one. I think it's coming out from the screen adjustment at the bottom. I'll just reposition everything here. That's my next thing on the to-do list. Make me some high voltage leads for this thing. Alright, we're all ready to go. That's still in view of the camera. Alright, let's arc to those. Let's give it a test. Anything? Put that there. Hang on a minute, reconnect. Got kind of everywhere here. Hang on. Put that there. There we go. Now let's try the arc. That's arcing to that small wire, which I think is going to the screen control. The super glue has worked wonders on these ferrites that's been broken. There you go. Break the ferrite core, but you can super glue it back together then. It's good as new. There we go. The arc's just in view. Let's move the camera back here. Alright, here we are. Oh well, flyback's up to try. Disconnect, discharge, check everything for warm, driver's cold, resistors are cold, capacitor's just getting warm, everything else, hey, it's running quite happily now, sweet. The plasma and arc. I love the ZVS driver. I've got to get that old flyback way around if I get a chance. Itching to get it rewound. I've got I hope I got enough magnet wire for that. I might have to buy some otherwise. Alright, check everything. ZVS is cold, they're cold. Capacitors doesn't seem to be getting any warmer. Flyback, that's about as warm as a capacitor is. Not too bad at all. Let's see what else I could have a look at. Stick that there. Like that. Now that screwdriver doesn't want to stick to it. Needs something insulated. I could put copper on into that screwdriver actually. Never do that. Let's see, find some copper I can put into that screwdriver. Let's see, that doesn't look good. I'm gonna use this magnetron thing here. That will go on a container full of oil. But only has two though. If only it had, hang on, I'm on yeah, I'll build another ZVS drive and that'll go into a container, an enclosure, my power will go in there. And that connects to the input to the ZVS driver in the container. So that'll be a good way to do it. Recycle this bloody magnetron connector. I was going to put the whole lot in oil, but it might be too much of a pain in the ass. There's no way to drive it, it's a driver. My little screwdriver here. I'll make a little thing so I can attach it into the screwdriver and not have it stick to the magnet. Okay, viewers, all done. Oh, look at that. Force field. Take a lot off. A force field. Look at that, huh? Force field. Yay. Spinning arc. That is unreal. That is amazing. Look how fast it's spinning. A spinning arc. Looks better in real life though. I'll zoom in a bit here. Doesn't do it. A rotary arc. Look at that. That looks awesome. That's force field. Come on, camera, don't go drunk on the focus. Yeah, because the light's off, see? I'll move the coil here of copper wire. Seems to move the coil out of the arc. There you go, now it's concentrated to the middle. Look at that. Awesome. See him out. Oops. I got smiley eyes on that. Gets slower and faster. Disconnected. Oh yeah, that copper's hot. The magnet's a bit warm. Hottest in the middle. Put that there. Man, the ozone coming off that. Pretty good ozone generator there. Light back on here. Not bad. Yeah, this job is happy. It's happy. Clip's hot. I'll leave that there for reference and I'll put some cathode, that's the cathode there, that pin. Put some cathode wires on there so I can arc there but not let the fly back. Anyway, thanks for watching.